With today's society changing all the time, new ideas are being created to help individuals and families change and transform their life. Traditional therapy, although has been around for years, does not work for every client that comes in for help. Postmodern therapies are able to help families in different ways. When clients seek therapy, many times they think they know what to expect with the therapist. They will sit down in a room, tell the therapist what is wrong with them. The therapist will label them with whatever they think is a problem, and the client will be done. Using postmodern therapies, the clients are able to come into a therapy session and have a conversation with the professional and feel as if they are being heard. The questions the therapist asks are only used to have a better understanding about what the client is talking about. There are no labels mentioned from the therapist. Instead, he or she is actively listening and genuinely curious about the client themselves. Postmodern therapies show the client and therapist to have a closer therapeutic relationship. The therapist is not the expert during the session, but instead the client is the expert on their lives. There is no diagnosis given with any of these approaches. This way, the client does not feel as if they are being labeled. Therapists use the postmodern with an open mind without blame or judgment. Questions are asked to the client in order to have a better understanding of who they are. The therapist does not guide the sessions in the way they think it should go, but instead whatever the client wants.